Okay, Marmon's riding bicycles on day 2. Go, Joshua. Callie, you have to wait. Good job, buddy. Yep. And there is Aiden completely ready to take jumps. Permanently. And Justice leading the crowd. Keep going, Callie. What way, buddy? You're gonna go that way? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! 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 Crash. You okay, buddy? Are you okay? Got your hand? Good job.